Okay. What's the book called?
It's Little Blue.
Little Blue Truck. Okay.
Horn went. Engine purr. Funniest sound you ever heard. It says, Little Blue Truck went down the road. Beat said blue to a big green truck to the croak.
Croak.
And tonight, when Little Blue Truck went wrong, she did mad. Cow said, moo. What's there, piggy? Beep said blue.
Beep said Blue.
What's there, chicken? Chicken. Mad said Pooh said beep. May said horse. Quack said a duck. Beep said a farmway truck. What's gonna happen?
What is going to happen?
Honk! Yellow dump truck coming through. I big good beat the truck. I got it. Every day walk a time.
Along the way. What is it?
Oh,
Who's this?
Little Blue
Little Blue?
and a pig. They're chasing the dump truck.
They're chasing the dump truck? What are they going to run into?
I don't know.
It looks like a duck.
They're going into a duck.
What comes next?
Run!
Vroom.
He's in the mud.
Vroom went the duck around a curve.
He saw a puddle. He tried to swerve into the mud or the big fat truck. And his big important wheels got stuck.
His wheels got stuck. Oh no. What comes next? His heavy-duty dump truck.
Tires or some down deep and muck and mire. Honk cried the dump and he sounded scared. That's the engine.
But nobody heard.
Or nobody cared.
Or nobody
Then,
cared.
Into the mud. Bump, bump, bump. He's pushing the dump.
Into the mud. Bump, bump, bump.
Coined the Little Blue Truck to help the dump.
Little Blue.
Pushed all. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight.
Oh no. I wonder if anybody's going to help him.
The animal.
Let's see.
I think Elf
Help, help, help.
cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that. Beep, beep, beep. Did you go to Dr. Frost?
Are you reading a story to Aunt Sally?
Beep, beep, beep.
I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that. Beep, beep, beep. The cow came when a big in the sheep. Up that I got when the big well whoosh go jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flopping with the chick and the duck. And everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck.
They all helped. What comes next?
What does it say here? Head to head and lump to rope. They all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite what the halo and who had that but the big green toad.
The big green toad.
1, 2, 3. The one was pushed and the trucks were free. Thanks, Little Blue, the dump to Blue. They helped me and they helped you. They helped Little Blue.
Yep. Now I see.
A lot pink and heavy for Blue.
Yeah.
They pushed the dump.
A helping hand from a few good friends. They all helped.
Beep, beep. He went to run. Everybody scrambled to jump another.
Oink, quack, bah.
Moo, quack, Beep, beep, beep.
Yay!
Good job, buddy.
Good job. Thank you for reading me a book.
Did you sit in your sister's chair and read it?
Doing
Is
Little
that more
Blue
fun than
Truck
you-
and the City.